Okay guys, so I've moved round to doing the front bumper, and as you can see I've spent a lot of time putting tape on the inside of the vents and the headlights area voids to stop any dust from being sucked on from the vinyl. I don't want any debris under the vinyl, so this is the perfect remedy for it. And hope we get a really nice finish in the end, and one happy customer instead of complaining it's got dust underneath. So alright, this is ready for clay bar now, so I'm going to clay bar it, get it ready, alcohol again, and then we should be good to put the vinyl on the car. And I finished the side of the car just this afternoon. There we go, it's all tucked in nice and everything, so we're ready for the other side, and then the majority of the actual car is done, which is good. It's always nice to get as much done as you can in big pieces, and then you feel like you're getting somewhere. So here we go. So as you can see here, I've clay barred it and it looks super white, right? Because all the contaminants are gone from the paint. And as I went round, even clean with your fingernail, get into all the crevices, these horrible crevices just attract dirt. So we want those totally free of rubbish. We don't want it under the wrap. And now, yeah, we're ready to put the vinyl down. And I'm going to spray all around the floor here with some soapy water, so none of the dust kicks up when I'm pulling the wrap around the bumper. Okay, so without further ado,